Okay, so now we've got 17 to 22. You kind of step back one and start at 16, so the link between them takes care of itself. Okay. There's been some changes around here. I like to stick with the original version, and I kind of talk through how it works as we go. Okay. Okay, so 16 to 22. So I've just done 15, 16 double time. He's in the same place as 15. This stays up a bit higher to give a good start to the sequence, and also it's easier for him to rotate down if it's parallel to the floor. So I'm in 16. So strike the leg 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay, so from 18 onwards, there's fairly sort of strong downwards feeling to the kata. So thrusts there. So 18, I'm dropping down. So it's quite natural to go for 19 here. He blocks that. Okay, so now we're sort of a little bit stuck. He takes the initiative by raising to strike my head. Okay, now he's got to move his hands quite a long way to get up there. If I do a low strike, I can drop my body below and leave my hands roughly in the same place. So I can outspeed him into his movement, go 20, 21 double time. He then has to defend. From there he lifts to strike, and I follow him up. Okay. So why I need to go down from there? So from the block here, if I just strike to the knee from standing, he can hit me on the head basically. So as he comes up, I strike the knee, he can get out of the range and hit me. It's geometry, yeah? From here, I can hit him. If I'm aiming at his knee, he can hit me. That's a problem with low strikes, low thrusts in general, is that you're vulnerable. By doing this drop, I actually get a time bonus on him. He then has to get out of the way of that, and then this leaves me to come up here. Now, some people have problems with this this position. You can drop into it. You need a lot of weight on this leg here. This knee is off the ground. Okay, and then as you draw this up for 22, it actually it puts more weight on the leg and you come up with that movement. So there's no issues about moving up out of it, providing you allow it to, allow that to weight the front leg heavily. A while ago, Saito Sensei Senior started doing the strike from standing because he couldn't do the drop and the strike because his knees were bad. He then did the drop afterwards, but the way it's always been done is just to drop with the strike. And to me it makes more sense to do it that way. 17, 18, 20, 21, 22.